We've been belted with so many rate rises and could cop another one tomorrow. But there's a way to get a few bucks back from the bank.
The banks are boosting their rates, but are customers getting the most bang for their buck?
They're skimming off the top, basically. They're not being fair. If they want to make more money out of mortgage holders, okay, but they need to pass it on to savers as well.
We found that almost half of Australians have missed out on earning a bonus rate, and that's because banks have tricky terms and conditions which make it really hard to satisfy earning a bonus interest rate.
Melbourne father Mark Polonzak has been an AMP customer for years and has a substantial amount in savings with them. The gardener always keeps a close eye on savings interest rates because it makes a big difference to his family's nest egg.
A difference of 1% is a lot with the amount that we've got in there.
Mark shops around to see what other banks are offering and recently found a better rate online, so decided to switch.
I'm looking all the time. I'll move money around to get a better rate. I'm in the process of doing that now.
To take a closer look at what savings accounts are on offer and how you can get the most out of your bank right now, I'm joined by finance expert Effie Zahos. Effie, thanks for joining us. Coming in at number one is Macquarie's savings account, offering an introductory maximum rate of 5.55% for deposits up to $250,000. But it's for 4 months only. Next best is Movebank's Growth Saver account, offering its customers a total rate of 5.5% interest, but it's only available for savings up to $25,000. Bank of China is also offering up to 5.5% interest, but it's a promotional rate that only applies for 3 months, whereas ING is offering the same maximum rate to its customers with no time limit. Sounds pretty good to me.
It is a good rate, but to actually qualify for that maximum total rate each month, customers need to have an Orange Everyday account. They've got to deposit at least $1,000 and make 5 or more eligible purchases and grow their savings.
Okay, well, the other best option is Bank of Queensland's Future Saver, but it's only for young people aged 14 to 35 years old. It's also offering a total rate of 5.5% interest.
Yes, but you only earn that rate for the first $50,000 that you have in that account. You also need to deposit $1,000. It needs to be linked to an account, make those eligible 5 transactions. The good news is that bonus criteria is waived for 14 to 17-year-olds.
Next up is Rabobank, offering a total interest rate of 5.4%, Effie.
Still over that 5% mark, but that's only for 4 months and for new customers.
Wow, okay. Well, Virgin Money Boost Saver is the next best thing with a total interest rate of 5.35%. But Effie, what do customers have to do to get that?
Yeah, to get that bonus rate, you need to link it to what they call a Go account. You've got to deposit $1,000 and make at least 5 purchases each month. But that criteria is waived if you are under 18. And to get that extra bonus rate, well, you need to enable what they call a lock saver feature, which essentially blocks you from withdrawing your money for 32 days.
So it seems like every option has some strings attached, Effie.
They don't make it easy for consumers and it is hard to understand. And if you miss 1 or 2 months of these conditions, you will lose that total rate.
If a person misses one of the requirements, they earn no interest that month. And we've heard loud and clear that every dollar counts right now.
Patrick Veray from Choice says banks should be rewarding customer loyalty by making it easy to earn interest on savings.
Banks should automatically switch people to the best savings rate that they offer. There are too many hoops. There are too many bonus introductory rates that expire after 3 or 4 months. And people shouldn't have to front up to a bank branch just to earn a decent interest rate.
If it doesn't automatically switch, at least let your customers know that they've got a better rate.
Choice claims a lot of Aussies are missing out.
We've found that banks are so easy to jack up rates on mortgage accounts, but less so on savings accounts. And we've found that there are people across Australia who are languishing in really low interest rate accounts, and that's simply not good enough.
Get on your computer, shop around and get the best rate you can for yourself. Loyalty doesn't come into it.